Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today we will take a look at this tiny device. This is a micro-motor produced by CADA company. If the word micro-motor sounds familiar to you, then you are probably imagining a small red LEGO motor from 90s. The LEGO motor was super compact, but at the same time it was extremely slow and weak, but this motor is completely different story. The motor has dimensions of 2x4 brick, but a bit higher. Its height is 1 brick and 2 plates, and this height allows to connect these motors together with an integer spacing, and it's very convenient for Technic models. To tell the truth, we can connect them in both directions, like this, the same distance between axes. So it's really useful feature, I think. As you can see, I can insert an axis, and this hole is 1 stud deep. And also it can work like a pulley. There is a groove for rubber band here. The length of the wire is about 26 centimeters, and the motor has a power functions connector, which is great. We can connect them together just like the original LEGO connectors. And one more useful feature, the wire can be bent according to our needs, both directions. It's also really convenient. I used just a simple reducer to measure the rotation speed. We have 140 rotations per minute for Bowie's normal mode and 190 for the fast mode. This is about 2 times slower than the Power Functions medium motor. And the weight of this micro-motor is about 12 grams. For the first quick test, I've assembled this very simple chassis. Here we have 2 micro-motors, and each of these motors powers 1 axle. So here we have all-wheel drive, but no steering, and it was normal, not fast mode. Okay, let's try fast. It's a beast, really. Very impressive, really. Let's try this motor for additional function. I don't like this handle that rotates the crane, and I will try to replace it just by the motor. Okay, I should keep it. I think it's pretty fast, it's cool. Also it can be used for actuators. This motor is a perfect choice for functions where you don't need significant power, for example, just to power fake engine. The motor is very compact, and here we have great demonstration effect of working engine. It's very cool. We can also use this motor for steering systems, but it's a good idea to add a reducer to make the process more controlled and more predictable. Let's try one more test. This micro-motor powers entire flagship of 2004 with cabin, with crane, with receiver, and it's absolutely incredible. And it was very tempting to try the motor for remote controlled pneumatic switch. It works perfectly, can't wait to apply it in my creations. It can be also used with small linear actuator, as I tried a few years ago with LEGO MICRO-MOTOR, but CADA motor will work about 6 times faster. Now I have no data regarding the reliability of these motors, but my first impressions are 100% positive. It's so powerful for its size. I've been waiting for this motor since 2007, since the appearance of the power function system, and I think it's hard to imagine all the areas of application. Not only in Technic models, but also in small system sets. The LEGO company used battery boxes and electronics in pretty small sets, and I'm looking forward for the new era in LEGO motorization. Please share your opinion about these motors below the video. If you have these motors, please also share your experience. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!